You get different opinions on how long this cycle will run or how short it will be. I would love to get your thoughts on what is your thoughts in terms of where are we at in the cycle? Are we early? Early innings, I think, is the favorite quote that Julie's pulled from every public earnings call. They're all sheep, by the way. Public CEOs are like, let's just say it. Do you think we're mid? Do you think we're late?
I think the data would tell you that we're early. I think.
Why do you say that?
Because I think ultimately there is, generally speaking, we have seen very little what I would call normalization off of what were artificially deflated freight rates over the course of the last 3 years. I think we were all looking around asking ourselves, how is it possible that rates have been this low for this long? And I think we got an answer or at least an answer that tracks, in my opinion, around all of the regulatory things that are happening now, non-domiciled CDLs, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Basically, you had capacity in the market that was artificially deflating freight rates. I think if you look at the long-term trend, and so when we look at the inflation-adjusted freight rates over the course of the entirety of the time that OTR has been factoring invoices and been in business, we are still significantly below the median. And so when I think about early versus mid-cycle versus late, it's related to the inflation-adjusted long-term view of where freight rates